So today it's Volvo time, alternator time. We are gonna take off this part, this part, this, and we'll be able to slide it out. This one maybe not necessary, but I'll think I'll take it off. So, and we have the part number over here. It's DRI automotive alternator. Simple one with a slip clutch. Yep. See, it slips a bit for a smoother running of the engine when you take off or idling. It slips a bit and the engine is quite like that. So we'll start taking it off. 88877. Yep. Up. All the little air hoses, all the clips, it's all number 7 instead of using a Parker head. Yep. Much easier to do it and faster. Yep. Just slide it away. This one, that can remain in place, I think. Yep. It's always a bit a bet. What should I take off? What should I leave? But here everything is nice condition. Nothing seems to be willing to break. This big tube is connected with a 10 millimeter right here, so we can wiggle it if you loosen the 10 millimeter. Seems like a job for the Milwaukee. Just to make life easier, I'll take out the airbox. It's a really easy one. Little screwdriver. The sound, the noise in the background is the neighbor who's redoing his kitchen. So we take off the air mass meter. This is the vacuum line. Just take a nice vacuum. Those are clips covered in mud. You just have to push them down with a little screwdriver, just like this. Up, up, and they come out. And then take them, push them back up, and when you reinstall them, you have to make sure they're flat. That's it. So again, number 7 should be enough. Up. Two hoses here for the differential pressure for the DPF, and now it's free. Just take off the intake, wiggle it out of the rubber mounts, and the whole thing comes out. Voila, voila. Ah, room. Nice. So you see, it's really if you're a bit trained, you can do it in like seconds. And there's another 10 down here. I'll show you when I take it out. Something like that. Wow, we'll do it with Milwaukee. I'm pretty lazy. Just make sure it doesn't fall on the engine plate, the protection plate at the bottom. So that's a shorter one. Yep. And the upper is a longer one. Now you can wiggle it without breaking it. Look, it's already coming. Are you sure, honey, it's coming? Oh, I'm sure. Oh, I'm sure. Yep. Just wiggle it, wiggle it, wiggle it. And well, maybe it's enough room to take the alternator out. I don't know. Nope, I'm gonna take everything out. I'm not gonna damage anything. And look, these tubes, they are really good stuck on here. A little trick. Is the camera still on? Oh yeah. Screen turns black when I'm filming, so yeah. Just a little trick. Just slide your flathead screwdriver underneath and just break loose where the rubber has been resting for like 10 years, 15 years, 5 years, whatever. It's like glue, look, and now it wiggles, see? Yep. And hopla. This is fuck my English. This is to tighten the tube, whatever. Should speak English more often, probably. Yeah, who cares? Who cares? It's about cars. Alternator still not passing through. Nope. This and that and this and that. Yep. Two little 8s. Where is my hand shoe? In Dutch we call it a hand shoe. In English it's a glove. The glove of love. No, that's something else. Those ones are latex, I think. So I'm laying every bolt